here are the places to visit and activities to enjoy in Bali, Indonesia as a first-timer and solo traveler. All thanks to Discoveria Trip, they handled my airport transfers and tours, making my journey incredibly smooth and stress-free. So keep wandering with me as I'm gonna show you some of the unforgettable places I explored. First stop, Chelok Swing and Luwak Coffee. The best ito for thrill seekers and coffee enthusiasts. Pwede mo dito ma-experience yung famous Bali Swing. Pero syempre, ang pinakasadya ko ay ang Luwak Coffee. Kape na gawa sa coffee beans na kinain at naging poop ng Asian palm civet. Gusto mo yun? Nagkape ka galing sa eat ng civet. Char. Syempre, hindi siya madumi ha. Dito makikita mo yung traditional process bago maging coffee luwak. I had my lunch at Warung Decoy and this is bebek goreng. Crispy duck with the vegetables, fresh sambal, and sweet spice sauce. Next stop, Tirtha Empul, a famous Hindu temple which Balinese Hindus believe to have purifying and healing properties. Dito, naliligo ang mga tao sa ilalim ng mga fountain para mawala ang bad energy at humingi ng blessings. I also visited Uma Checking. May mga activities, may restaurants and cafes, and let me tell you, the rice terraces are even more breathtaking in person. This is the kind of beauty that makes you stop and appreciate the world around you. I stayed at Pondok Mawas, which I booked on Klook. You can find Bali accommodations there and you can use the code KEEPWANDERINGKLOOK to get up to 5% off. Ang ganda ng room, sobrang peaceful, and malapit sa activities ko the next day, which is the Ubud floating breakfast and hot air balloon experience at Tanah Gajah. I also explored Nusa Penida, of course with Discoveria Trip. From my accommodation in Kuta to Sanur Harbor and the fast boat ride from Sanur to Nusa Penida, they sorted everything out for me so I could just relax and enjoy the trip. Our first adventure on the island was Extreme Park Bali, and I highly recommend this activity para sa mga naghahanap ng kakaibang thrill in life. At ito talaga ang sadya ko dito. This is a 130-meter rope jump, and if you're thinking about trying it, make sure to follow because I'm gonna share my full experience in a separate video. Next, we visited the iconic Kalingking Beach. Grabe, I can say na napakaganda nito in person. No wonder kung bakit sobrang touristy ng place na to. The view is absolutely breathtaking with cliffs that resemble a T-Rex. This tour includes lunch and sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung chicken satay. Last but not the least, we stopped by the Broken Beach. This is a popular spot in Nusa Penida dahil sa unique na natural arch formation nito. Dahil sa malalakas na waves, unti-unting nag-erode yung limestone cliffs over time, kaya nabuo yung circular cove na parang bridge. On my last day in Bali, I visited the Bali Zoo. I experienced having a breakfast with the orangutans, close encounter with the birds, and elephant care with mud bath. I can say na isa talaga to sa activities na pinaka na-enjoy ko nang hindi ko ine-expect. Sa hapon, naglakad-lakad naman ako along Kuta Beach. And if you're planning to stay in Kuta area, I recommend Cara Cara Inn, which I booked on Klook. At night, it was time to head back to Manila na. So if you are planning a Bali trip, definitely check out Discoveria Trip. And don't forget to follow for more travel adventures like this.